Ditches are running with lots and lots of water. Man, thunder came through quick, lightning, and then our old friend heavy rain, and our other old friend gusty winds. Yeah, oh man, there's a lot of water. I wonder if that's the power trucks. The water's going right across the road. That's not good. Oh, I think there's a tree down. Yep. And they just put in culvert pipes. And there's a tree right there in the road. Wow. Really bad. I think I can get through that. Oh no, look at that. There's a tree down right there in the middle of our road. Right on the wires. Right on the wires. That's right outside my cabin. Go down to the end of the driveway, make a left, and that's it. I get the feeling we're not going anywhere for a while.
No, our truck we're getting dead, so we'll go that way.
No, there's no other way out of here.
Are there any power lines out back there?
I live up at the top of the hill. I didn't see anything.
Okay.
Are you with the power company?
I'm with the fire department. I'm probably sure I can come around and back up.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah,
Thank you.
There's a bunch of water coming out the hillside too, so I think she'll start washing the road out.
Thank you. Be careful. I came back down to see what's going on, and here's the power company. Looks like they're pulling the wires, and there's you really can't see because the glare is really too much, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trucks and a police car, but it's hard to see the blue lights. Maybe that's a little bit better. But the water was ungodly. You can still see it going across the road. I couldn't see the road, but I know where the road is, so I didn't have any issue with it. But the guy in the fire truck, he must have got confused because there was no, if you don't know the road, you don't know the road, and you can go off in the ditch real fast. And I think that's exactly what he did. I feel bad for the guy, because he was coming up here to check on all of us, and that wasn't about to happen. Now her friend Penny is going to drop her off at the end of this road, and she's going to walk up here because I can't get past this. They're not going to let me pass. They're blocking the road completely. Now, it did stop raining finally, but I checked the weather, and there's supposed to be more rain coming, a 93% chance of more rain and thunderstorms happening very shortly. Watch the window, maybe that'll help a little bit. Oh, I didn't see that. There's a big branch. See where that boom is? Right underneath it, there's a big branch up there. He's cutting it away. The poor Miss Marie. She's going to have to hopefully walk through. I don't see why not. Yeah, it's going to be muddy. Yeah, no doubt. That was directly on the line too. There still is one, hard for you to see it, but it's there. He'll come back. He's over the top right. I'm wondering if the bridge is washed out, or sometimes after heavy rain the water goes right over the bridge, and maybe that's why the blue lights of love are down there. I don't know if you can see them blinking. Not really, but they're down there, trust me. These guys do dangerous work. There's another branch. Look at that, right on the wires. They were up here. As soon as the rain stopped, they were here. Amazing. These guys are right on the job. And I appreciate that. And I guess they have to check the wires to see if there's any power. I turned off all the power in the house. I went to the main box, shut it off. Because when they're hooking it up, it surges. So you always remember that when the power goes off, turn your main power off. This way, when they do hook it up, it's not going zap, 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 zap. Nothing will destroy your refrigerator, your TV, your computer. Nothing faster than doing that. Getting the limbs out of the road. Felt bad for the fireman. It was pouring, and he's walking up and down the road to see where the problem was. And they already took. There was a big tree right there, a big tree, and they already took it down. Because I came down from the cabin because I heard a lot of noise, and there was one further up, but I'm assuming they got it already. They wouldn't be all the way over here. They're that quick. Sevier County Electric. Still drizzling a little. Going back up to get some more. Wow, that hit the wires. Look at that. Whew. There's a limb stuck on the wires too. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's hanging right from the wires. Very dangerous work. And it's starting to rain again. So they said around 10 o'clock, and they're right on. The weather is right on here. There's more limbs. Look at those wires bounce. Going to trim off some more limbs. Oh, I still see the fire truck on its side, and that's a tow truck. Can you see? No, you can't. I'm so sorry. It's leaning. I'm going, what is that one leaning? That's the fire truck. It went in a steep ditch, and there's yellow lights.